Hello everyone, this is Changnam Studio. In this video, we'll show you how to create an automated banner carousel in Figma. Before we start, the design file of this tutorial is available in the Figma community. The link is in the description. First, import the banners into Figma and set them as components. Next, we want to make sure the banners have the same dimensions. To do this, duplicate a banner and create a rectangle with your ideal carousel size. Send the rectangle to the back of the layer. With both the banner and the rectangle selected, align them horizontally and vertically. Right-click and select Use as Mask. Now the banner size is constrained by the rectangle. Now, we want to apply mask to other banners. To do this, turn the masked object into a component. On the Layers panel on the left, select the banner instant, then follow the instructions on the screen. This will allow us to easily swap between different banners. Next, let's arrange the sequence of the banners. Copy the component from the previous step and make 2 duplications. Change each one to a different banner by selecting it from the drop-down. Select all the banners, apply auto layout, set the gap to 0, and make it a new component. To create the automated carousel, copy the component from the previous step and create a rectangle the size of a single banner. Send the rectangle to the back and align it horizontally to the left and vertically to the center. Click Use as Mask. This will make only the banner visible, and you can drag the banner instant to adjust. Now, make it a component and create 2 variants by following the instructions on the screen. We want the variants to show the first, second, and third banner respectively, and that is done by selecting all the banners instant from the variant and adjust its X position. Since my banner width is 1280 pixel, I'll set the X position of the second banner to minus 1280 pixel and the third banner to minus 1280 pixel times 2. Next, add interactions. Select the default variant and connect it to the second variant. Set the trigger to after delay and the delay time to 4000 milliseconds. For animation, change it to Smart Animate, is out and 400 milliseconds. You can adjust this value to suit your needs. Now I'll connect the second banner to the third and the third back to the first. Finally, we will add an indicator to show users how many banners are available and which one they are viewing. To do this, I'll create the indicator using the circle tool and icons from the Material Symbols plugin. Apply Auto Layout, adjust the styling, and set it as a component. Copy the indicator to all the carousel variants. I'll also change the color to dark gray to signify it is not clickable, such as the left arrow icon on the first banner and the first dot on the first banner, etc. Lastly, add interactions to make it functional. Select the arrow and link it to the next variant. Set the trigger to on-click and use the same animation settings as before. And that's how you can create an automated carousel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. See you in the next video.